Hi people, this is Virginia Jimeno, a life lover who enjoys discovering new things and show them to you in this YouTube channel. So today I am going to do a review for the new smartphone I have, which is the Note 20 Ultra. I've already made a video doing a comparison between the S21 Ultra and this Note 20 Ultra because I wasn't sure which smartphone buy, and at the end I chose the Note 20 Ultra, which is I think a very good option. So now is the time to do this review of this smartphone, the things I like more of it, the things I like less, disadvantages, all of it in this video. So here it is, my new baby, the Note 20 Ultra. I already had this Note for weeks now, and I enjoyed using it very much. And for continuing enjoying this Note 20 Ultra with zero worries, I've acquired some accessories that will make it unbreakable. You can see here for the camera, I have a camera protector, which is invisible. I don't think you will see it. No, you won't notice. It's very important because at the end is the most fragile point of the phone, so I am happy to have it protected like this. I will put the link to this protector in the description box down below if you are interested. This is the case I bought. It's super lightweight, slim too. So, but it's slim, but it protects a lot all the delicate parts of the phone, the camera, the borders, and it's clear, so you can see the beauty of this phone. I will let the link to this clear case in the description box down below in case you are interested too. Now I will let you see the unboxing from this phone, and later I will tell you these advantages and disadvantages I found for this phone. Well, we have here the box of the Note 20 Ultra at last. This model is the one from the international version and dual SIM with Exynos. The model number is the SM986B /DS from dual SIM. As I explained in previous videos, we have different models depending on from which countries we are buying this phone. So yeah, we need to take that into account. Let's open the box. So this is the smartphone. Wow, I love it. It's so beautiful. The color. It has the S Pen also integrated with the same color. Well, as you can see, this is a fake unboxing. I already opened it before. I was super excited. I had to open it. Sorry. So here we can see the charger with USB Type-C. So we cannot use the previous cables we had, the previous wires. So yeah, we need to use this one that we have here. Let's see, how can I open this? Okay. So yeah, here we have the USB Type-C. Yeah, we need to charge it with this charger of 25 watts. Okay. And here we have the headphones, the normal AKG that we have from previous generations. We always have the same. The difference is this input that they had, that is also USB Type-C. We need to use the same as for the charger. Okay, and here we have the adapters. So that's it. Well, I can say that I love it already. This phone looks spectacular. The things I liked the most, first one is the S Pen, which is here integrated. I love this S Pen for this manual writing. I think it's so great to be able just to write all the diagrams or schematics I have in my head, and that's something you cannot do with the keyboard from the phone. Just do it so quickly like this. Hello, how are you? So you see, you don't need to even unlock the phone just to write. So I am always sure all my notes are here. The writing feeling is really good. You really obtain this feedback when you are writing on it. It feels much better than the previous Note, what was the Note 10 Plus. I think in that one you were able to detect this delay when you were writing, and I don't have that impression in this Note 20 Ultra, which is really great. I also enjoy very much the air gestures from this S Pen. You really can put your phone 2 meters away from you and take a video or selfie. You can control the camera just with the gestures of your S Pen. That's super useful. Another thing I like that is not like a priority but is really fun is this augmented reality, that you can take a photo or a video and you can just draw anything you want to draw in this video or photo. It's super fun for social media. What I also have loved about this smartphone are the cameras. These cameras on the back, but also the internal camera for selfies is so great. I can take any photo, even just I will use the S Pen as remote control and take a picture like this. It's so amazing. I will show you the photo I've just taken, and yeah, the cameras are so great. At the end, when you buy these premium smartphones, you will always get a very good camera qualities. The last years, companies have been developing these improvements in the cameras, but at the end they are really good already. They are just making very few changes, and that's something I explained in the S21 comparison with the Note 20 Ultra. More things I liked is the usability of this phone. I was worried that it would be too thick for me, because when you go into a store and you try it, you see that it's much bigger than the other smartphones that you will see in the store. So it was complicated for me. That's the reason why I didn't bought the S21 Ultra. It was so thick for me. This was already on the limit for me. But later, now, with the use I have given to this phone, is not that hard. You get used to it. I think it's not been that bad. And actually, if I compare the thickness with the previous smartphone I had, with this the S8 only, it's not that different as I previously thought. You can check there. It's not that bad. And well, this is so light. It's a very light phone, very beautiful, very slim. But now, as we request more battery, more functionalities to the companies of smartphones, they need to make them bigger, which is a tendency we see in all the brands. And really, it's not been that bad. I really like it. And let's see, now let's go to the disadvantages. The first disadvantage I have found is the battery life. I thought that it would be much longer. I think maybe this was something I had in mind and was not very realistic. Actually, I must be honest, I always charge the phone until 80% of completion, because this way I will save this battery life for much longer time, and then it's normal if I just charge it until 80%. It won't last as long as I expected. It lasts a day and a little more than a day, but I was expecting much more. So at the end, it won't be very fair if I complain, but yeah, it's just a feeling I have. I hoped to have much better battery life in the daily use, because this is a brand new phone, and yeah, it's only what I expected. The other thing I didn't like that much is when I am using the phone and I am doing video calls, because I have to make lots of video calls. At the end, I am living alone in a country abroad, far from my family, my boyfriend, my friends, so I am always doing video calls. And I have found that in the app I was using for these video calls, they don't hear me well nowadays that I am using this phone. To be honest, I don't really know if it is fully because of the smartphone. Maybe that app is the problem, or maybe it's simply the app is not very optimized for this model. It can be that too, because I have tried another different application and it wasn't that bad. I didn't have the same problems. Maybe it's something casual, but I don't know. So at the end, I prefer to let you know. If this is happening to someone else too, please let me know. I would love to know it. And also I was comparing this microphone to the previous, to the S8 model, and I see the microphone is in different place, so I don't know if this has to be something about it. I'm not sure, maybe it's only because here it's not near to the sound. I don't know. So that will be it, all the bad things I have for this phone for now. It is a very, very good smartphone. It goes so fast, it goes delightful. I don't have any big complaints so far. So let me know in the comments down below if you liked your Note 20 Ultra, in case you have it. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next one.